Good day. Today I'm going to begin a series of tutorials at the end of which I will assemble a very rudimentary 4-piston engine. Today I'm going to begin with the first part, and that will be the piston in this case. Let's go into Start, Assembly, Design. So let's create a new part, and this one, press Alt Enter and edit this a bit. Call it piston. Select it, copy here, apply, and we need to go now into part design. To do this, just double click the part body, and to create the body of the piston we'll need the shaft operation. For that to occur, we need a sketch. So let's pick this plane, and let's begin by creating the top of the piston. I'll place this point and make it a fixed point at exactly 30 millimeters from the vertical axis, and I will use the arc tool to create to make the top part of the piston, and the center should be on the vertical axis for a and make these two coincide. So this should be 6. Now I'm going to create the piston rings placeholders. This would be 6 again, by 5, by 4, and by 5, and again by 6, by 5, and by 4, and again 5. And now I'm going to create a line of 40 millimeters downwards. Now let's create the thickness of the piston. Let's place here a point. This would be at exactly 5 millimeters from the innermost line, and there's no problem there. I'm gonna quick trim the excess here. And this line here should be at a distance of again 5 millimeters from this line. Now we should quick trim the excess as before, here and here, and lastly here. So we have now the profile, and we need to make one more thing. Convert these 2 points into construction elements. It's always useful to make sketch analysis after finishing it, so there would be no loose ends, so to speak. Let's exit the sketcher mode, and let's make our shaft. Select the z-axis in the field, press preview, and OK. We have now the piston. So let's create now the holes for the piston pin. place this would be of around 25, and this at a distance of 25 from this one. So I'll exit the sketcher mode and create a pad, be up to the next surface, and I'm going to mirror this one in respect to this plane, the YZ plane. And there we have our first part of this operation. So we need to reduce this pad to trim it a bit. So let's go into sketcher mode and create a bucket. And I shall mirror this in respect to the vertical axis, unite the lines like this, so we have a rectangular shape, and I'm going to create a bucket up to the last, press preview, and we're ready now to place our holes. So I'm going to select this face and place a hole inside, be of 15 millimeters, and again up to the last, preview, okay, and again I'm going to mirror this operation in respect to the Z plane. Press OK. I'm going to chamfer those two edges. 1 millimeter should do it. And I'm going to create the placeholders for the safeties to hold the piston pin in place. And for this I'll need a plane with exactly 25 millimeters from the YZ plane. So let's select the plane, go into sketcher mode, and project this into 3D. Create a circle right here in the center, and give it a radius of or a diameter of 18, or a radius of 9. Well, let's make it 16. So we will create a bucket. Let's reverse the direction, dimension, 1 millimeter. Should do it. And again we will mirror this in respect to the YZ plane. Press OK, and there we have our, let's chamfer this this edge 2 millimeters. Press OK, and we have our piston. Let's hide this plane,